Sige.
It's Marian!
Marian!
Marian! Wow naman! Palakpakan naman kayo dyan! Yee! Marian, happy tayo, sabi mo. Yee! Group hug! Ayan, thank you. Take sa picture.
Picture, right?
Picture tayo.
Congratulations
Ganda ng kanyang shoes.
to Anne Riel Aquino.
Saan kaya niya binili yan? Ayan. Ay, daka muna. Okay, next.
Our second place.
To receive 1,000 pesos tips in cash and of course, a para 4 hours sponsorship natin.
Yes. Ready na ba?
Yes, ready na.
The winner for our second place in our cosplay competition is cosplayer number 28, Lancelot.
Lancelot! Yan.
Omar Panlilio.
Wow, nagbago na siya.
Ikaw si Omar. Punta ka dito. Punta ka dito.
Ay.
Sa'yo nakapangalan.
Ito na lang. Yan.
Yan.
Yes.
So,
Picture.
So, the cosplayer, the craftsman.
Yan.
Sa'yo gumawa.
Matama. Tabi na kayo. Yes.
Okay, dito na lang tayo sa
And-
left. Okay. Sounds off. Okay.
To receive 1,000 pesos, 1,500 pesos necessary. And of course, a part for our sponsorship.
Yes. We're cosplaying for fun, not for money. I believe so.
Yes.
And the cosplay winner for our Otago Expo 2010 cosplay competition is cosplayer number
59!
Charles Britannia.
Britannia!
Kaya, may question ako. Ano magsasabi mo sa kanila lahat?
Hey, Britannia!
Ako yung lahat and I want to expect you and I'm actually retiring with consumer ranking but I'm actually so surprised that I won. In the end, all hail Britannia!
Thank you very much! Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you very much to everyone on behalf of Aquafin 2010.
Yes, maraming salamat sa mga nag-organize ng Practice Green Magazine, event partners Luna Online and Yakult, sponsored by Level Up, E-Games, Skycom, Cosplay Circle, Made Cafe, Anime Alliance, Hero, Music Asia, Otaku Gold, SM Megamall, and Mega Trade Hall.
Yes, i-announce ko lang ulit. Ozing Fest 2010, April 9, 10, and 11. Kita-kita tayo, no?
Yes, kita-kita tayo sa April
Okay.
9, 10, and 11.
Kita rin, 2 and 1.
Yes, Mega Trade Hall 1 and 2.
Okay, this is Ad.
And this is Fatima.
Peace out. Hindi na tayo
Thank you very much and good night.
Salamat, good night.
baba.